Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this video it's gonna be a tutorial about iPhone, and I would like to show you the way how to recover the recent deleted files on iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go visit your files, and let's try to delete the documents first. So here I already have these documents, so let's try to delete it by go click and hold these documents until there will be pop up several options over this document, and we just need to go click delete, and those document is already deleted from your iPhone. And now, since we want to try to recover this document, we need to go back into the on my iPhone and go click the browser. You need to find this type of appearance, and you will see a recently deleted here, and then you just need to go click it, and there will be pop up several documents that you just delete for about 30 days back. So here you just need to find the documents that you want to restore or recover, and after that you just need to go click and hold the document until they will pop up these options, and after that you just need to go click this recover, and this document will be back into the folder where they will belong in. So that is the way how to recover the recent delete files on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.